Hello, cool boys. For today's episode of Car Accessories, we are going to upgrade this long car key into this. So this one is a flip type, and I already had it pre-cut. So you can go to your local key duplicate store and have it pre-cut. So as you can see, there's two buttons, two holes. One is to open, one to close. So it has to match. So if your car has a third button, you can purchase the one with a third button. So for this install, we need a screwdriver and a coin. But before we proceed, I have a trivia for you. Cars during the 1900s require a trained chauffeur for it to start because it requires, multiple steps for it to function. But nowadays, car keys are very advanced, so you can even start a car using a car key. So with that said, let's proceed with this installation. So you get the screwdriver, and you see the screw there. You unscrew it. There you go. Oh, wait. Flip it like that. What you need is this mechanic here. So give it a good push. So what you're going to need is this, because this is the function or the mechanic that will open your car. So you need to transfer it over here. You get the coin, slot over here, and just place it there. Next thing you want to do is cover it up. There, so give it a good push. So there you have it. So you have successfully converted your old car key to this new one. So as you can see, it's a bit shorter, but thickness, this one is thicker, but somehow it feels really good. So having this new key, you don't have to bother with this long shaft sticking, so it's there hidden. So this one is really nice. I've been using it for almost a week, and it's really handy. It can fit good inside your pocket or in a bag. And the good thing about this is that it's a very cheap one. So the price for this is around 25 ringgit. And the order for this third button, I think it's a bit pricey, around 30. And there's a lot of cheaper options as well. So installation time was less than 5 minutes. And for this one, I'm very happy with it. I'm gonna give this an okay. And this is a certified cool boy accessories. So don't forget to watch my other videos, like and subscribe. Keep safe and stay at home.